Well, hello, my beautiful YouTube family. This is Goldie. They're getting real big and lots of feathers. Clearly, I haven't gotten much done in the living room, which I'm about to talk about. I feel like I've been trying to get everything done and getting absolutely nowhere, and my anxiety has just been pretty intense. And I'm starting to realize, like, I have let a lot of these thoughts, this feeling really kind of control me, and I think that's why I'm not being very productive. So this week, I'm not gonna try to fix everything and do everything and then like beat myself up about the fact that I didn't get this like impossible to-do list done. I'm gonna focus on 2 small tasks every day and then redirect the rest of the day once those are completed into me time, into animal time, into making sure I am taking care of myself and my marriage. I feel like I've literally just been lost in this list that is never going to be finished because there's always things to do. And I really need to just change my perspective of how we're working. Hold on. Okay, let's start with chickens.
Hello, freakies. Hi, ladies. Where's my girl? Hi, girls. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hi. Hello. There you go, little lady. Woo. Seriously.
Wow! That was so good!
My intention for the first 2 tasks on the first day was to demo this deck patio situation that I built forever ago that is housing so many rats. And then I wanted to use that material to then finish one of the chicken coops that still has yet to be finished. Tell me you saw that. Awesome, cross that off our list. I do have to admit I switched the second task because Aaron was out getting hay and I wanted to try to open up the hay zone more because it's like comically small to surprise him and make, our lives easier. So I switched the task for that day, but still going to use the material from all of this to finish Estee's coop. Okay, one thing about Aaron is he has unloaded and gotten hay for me literally since the day he's been around. And I just asked him this morning if I could try to unload the hay by myself since I really haven't done it since he's been here. I'm just interested to see how it goes because he's got the muscles and I haven't used my little hay muscles in quite some time, so I'm just curious. But get you a man who not only like gets you the hay, but friggin' puts it in your barn. excited. I'm going to take a better shot of this at sunset. And I'm keeping that OG piece of wood because, you know, you have to just keep the character that Dennis brought into here. Anyways, I love the mix of the dark brown with this. Also, this is going to be turning into a future greenhouse because we're going to be moving the horses, which is very exciting. And I think if we wanted to change this to like half rock, half dark wood, it'd be so lovely. I'm going to do a couple more details. I found a scrap piece of wood that would be fun to make it the top of the trim for the door that we'll be adding because I need more plywood. Also, I didn't realize how dirty I am. All right, I'm already loving these little tiny updates that we're doing throughout the property. This makes a huge difference in functionality to this space right now. And we're just gonna dive into now the chicken coops since we have the materials and wrap that up. But honestly, look at these clouds. It was such a lovely day. It is so pretty out.
Leo? Buddy? What are you doing now, piggy boy? Are you having such a nice day? Ladies, do you want to come out?
A couple things have to happen right now. I need to move those pots because I need to fortify the front of the heavy metals coop, and I'm gonna plant these cactus in the back of this chicken coop because number one, how many chicken coops can you have? Number two, the rats are eating everything minus this. I cannot wait to get rid of them with some feral cats on the property. And then I moved these pots over to the Jeep Willies because our idea is to plant some climbing roses, which we've been growing inside over here, and have them kind of overtake this Willie situation. So you can go and like sit in a car full of flowers wrapped, devoured by them. What are you doing? I'm up here and I'm moving and grooving. Is it confusing? You wanna lay with me? This is the life, that's for sure. Glasses change, and please ignore the flies because it's going back up to the high 80s this week. For why, I have no idea. I wanted to take a break to tell you really quick about today's sponsor, Clover. Clover is an app that you can download to access up to $400 early of your next payday, and there is no catch, no interest, no credit checks, and no late fees. Whether you need a little extra gas, maybe to lend some family some money, or even just you ran into like an unexpected flat tire like I did where the hole's on the outside of the tire, so you have to get a whole new one. Clover has you covered. You're gonna download the app, it's gonna ask you a few questions, you're gonna link your bank account, and you are good to go. You can wait to receive your money in just a few days, or you can pay a small fee to get your money instantly. And unlike other services, there is no monthly membership fee. Clover is on a mission to end predatory lending. They're also on a mission to give people access to tools that will help them build a healthier financial future. If you guys are interested, you could actually click the link down in my description box or scan the QR code that's popping up on screen and let them know that I sent you, and sign up for Clover today. As mentioned before, all the materials that I demoed off of that hay wall are now moving over to finish out Estie's coop. Now, Estie is a special lady. She got like viciously attacked by all of the chickens where she was basically looking like a zombie. So we put her in a little coop by herself until she fully healed. And now her integrating back, she's becoming kind of friends with Bertha, who is also kind of a lone chicken. And they're starting to spend more time in this coop, which makes me very excited. But we are just kind of throwing this chicken zone together with scrap material until we can extend our fence line and build like our huge coop of our dreams. nest day. What a great job you did. Laying right in the nesting box. Good girl. We have 2 full-time free roamers. That's Bertha back there pacing. She has her coop open, and Estee and her have been becoming friends. So I'm hoping both of them can go into that coop because these 2 ladies are absolute fighters. She also has no comb because one of them, ripped it on off, which, cool guys. Look at this gorgeous girl. Bye. These are our heavy metal ladies, and they free roam on and off, but one of them likes to escape and encourage the other one. So they're normally good about staying around us when we're out with them. I'm gonna let them just do their thing for a little bit. Hi, pretty girls. It's so cool that I stuck to the whole 2 tasks today because now we're like completing 4 separate projects essentially that have just kind of been looming and adding to my anxiety. So I want to wrap up by just painting the door and making sure it functions because it gets stuck and it's not even weatherproofed. But yeah, it just is kind of crazy. Like, very productive week just by going down 2 tasks a day. Hi, girl. Hi. Okay. What am I trying to say? Don't mind the workshop over here. We're going to be moving that into, actually, I think I just want to get rid of them because that's going to become a greenhouse and we're going to build a shop back. I know, so many projects. I've been telling myself not to make a list. Focus. To wrap this up, I'm going to paint this door because taking it off and burning it with the glass in it, probably not the best idea. And then also this Mr. Cool unit we do not use, and we're going to be expanding the bedroom, and obviously the air placement's going to change. So I'm just going to remove all of this to clean this on up. Those are my tasks. Paint the door, remove the condenser. Okay. While coat 1 dries, let's take the condenser down. Seriously. As always, thank you guys so much for just continually supporting your girl. And we were able to update the baby chick coop, what we call the Speed Metal Girls, into this because of updating Este's coop. But you saw that in the beginning episode. But they absolutely love it. Look how little they are here. What the heck? You can go to the beginning of the episode to see how big they've gotten. Insanity. I am beyond excited because I am, back at it with the living room makeover. I'm going to be wrapping that up next episode, and we'll be moving into our next room. Oh, the living room has taken us so long. Anyways, I will see you very soon for another DIY.